Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Battle of the Windmill National Historic Site in Prescott, Ontario, a place steeped in rich history and breathtaking views. This site is a significant landmark in Prescott, commemorating an important event in Canadian history. The battle took place in November 1838 during the Upper Canada Rebellion, a conflict that saw insurgents attempt to overthrow the British colonial government. The site itself is perched on a hill overlooking the St. Lawrence River, offering stunning panoramic views that are sure to captivate your senses. The windmill, which is the centerpiece of the site, was originally built in the 1830s. It served not only as a mill, but also as a strategic lookout point.
Thank you very much.
Today, the windmill stands as a symbol of resilience and courage, reminding us of the struggles and triumphs of those who came before us. As we walk through the site, we find informative plaques and displays that provide a detailed account of the battle and its historical context. In addition to its historical significance, the Battle of the Windmill National Historic Site is a fantastic spot for nature lovers. The surrounding area is home to diverse wildlife and beautiful landscapes, making it an ideal location for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful picnic. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a relaxing day out, this site has something for everyone. Thanks for watching!